Welcome to our science lab today, kids. Today we're going to be making slime. We're going to make slime. Who wants to make slime?
Me!
Alright, tell everybody what colors you're going to do. Abs, what color are you doing?
Red. Blue. Green.
Green. Alright. So first, we need some shaving cream. We need to put some shaving cream on this parchment paper so we don't make a mess.
Wait, you mix it up first, right?
Yep. Make a hole. Hold on. Make a hole in the middle of it. Because that's where we're gonna put your glue.
Right here? Guys.
Yep. Make it like a bowl.
Like this?
Sure.
Like this?
Now we're gonna use glue.
I can't make a hole.
That's fine.
I made a hole now.
All right. So this is our glue. And we're gonna dump the whole bottle in the middle of the shaving cream. And it's okay if you get shaving cream on your bottle. So go ahead and dump your bottle in the middle of your shaving cream, the whole bottle. The whole thing. I'll mark that off of our list because we did shaving cream and glue. This starts going everywhere, just start mixing it together.
Mix it.
Mix it together.
Wait, with my hand?
Yep, mix it so it doesn't go off the table. And then we're gonna add some contact solution.
Wait, I'm not done. I'm not done.
All right, keep mixing it. Here, Jay, that's good.
Yeah.
Keep mixing it. Get your hands in there, mix it.
Dirty. Oh, it's getting so dirty.
Mix it. Mix it. There you go, mix it. Mix it. It's messy. And now we'll add your coloring. You want red.
Can I make mine?
Give it a
The
squirt.
whole thing?
No, just give it a couple squirts. It doesn't need a
How
lot.
many?
I don't know, 4?
Can you